ZMA-X is an autonomous and remote-controlled armored combat vehicle converted from Turkish Army's modernized ACV-15. As reported by TurDef on October 2024, the ZMA-X is equipped with Aselsan's Nefer unmanned turret system, featuring a 25mm chain gun. The remotely controlled turret allows the ACV-15 to be converted into an unmanned platform. Additional armor plates, similar to those on the modernized ACV-15, have been added to improve the vehicle's protection. The vehicle is also fitted with LIDAR systems, which likely enhance situational awareness, similar to short-range sensors used in FNSS Shadow Rider UGV conversion kit for the M113 Armored Fighting Vehicle. Several countries have developed unmanned variants of the M113 to enhance battlefield capabilities. The Nefer turret, also known as Sarp 125, is an unmanned turret designed by Aselsan for tactical vehicles, including 6x6 and 8x8 platforms. It can support both NATO and Russian-origin weapon systems, with the aim of improving situational awareness while reducing personnel exposure to risks. The turret is equipped with day and night imaging systems and a gyroscope-stabilized platform to ensure accuracy. Other features include a laser rangefinder, a fire control system, a round counter, and a last ammunition warning. Ammunition can be reloaded while protected under armor. The Nefer turret can support a range of primary and coaxial weapons. Its armor provides protection compliant with STANAG 4569 Level 2 against small arms fire and shell splinters. The turret weighs less than 1,700 kilograms with a 25mm cannon, armor, and ammunition. The low-profile height of under 70 centimeters allows integration on a variety of vehicles. The ACV-15, which serves as the platform for the ZMA-X UGV, was developed by FNSS and has been in service since 1992.